Hey guys, today we're gonna do some plumbing.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
That's him.
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Hey, Daddy.
Now, if anyone falls in there, what do you think happens?
It goes flying down.
Yeah, you go right through onto probably the bathroom, so you've gotta not step in this hole. Don't even play in here. Don't even try. Don't even think about
Oh yeah, I'm thinking that.
it! No, don't play about it. Give me a big hug and then go to bed. So I figured out, pieced together as best I can all my pieces. What I'm doing here is the shower that was here had an 1.5-inch pipe that has now gone out of code. Now it has to be a 2-inch pipe for a shower. So I am cutting this out at my 3-inch main drain line here, replacing it with a 2-inch instead of an 1.5 inch, and then rerunning all this. Also, I'm running for my tub too here. So this is my vent. I'm going to be cutting that and reusing it. But yeah, I'm going to start cutting and getting after this. I want to show you some plumbing that I did here, and I tried to record it on our other camera as I was working, but I don't think I did a very good job about it. So let me walk you through what I did here. Okay, so first off, that is a 3-inch pipe that goes to this toilet, and there is a split off that was 1.5 inch, but I have upped that to 2-inch. So I had to cut that out and put in a new one. The 2-inch pipe goes along here all the way to my shower. That's all plumbed and leveled the right amount. Got a P-trap on there. And then I have a split off there that's going to go to the tub. That drops down to 1.5 inch for the tub. I also had to reconnect this vent right here. So let me take a step back here and show you guys this. Anyway, so all that plumbing took me a little bit. That's all done up to right there, if you can see in that dark hole there. So right there I have the start of a P-trap. Now for this soaker tub that's going to be freestanding, I did some research and found this drain here. And on the back side of this is a rubber seal right there. And your connection just slips into that, and that is how you make your connection. It's a pretty interesting connection there that I've never used before, but the reason you have to do that is you have to do your finished tile work, mount all this in place, then bring the tub back and set it and connect it. And the only way to do that, easily anyway, is with this guy. So I'm going to try out that connection here for the first time for me. That's about $100 plumbing connection right there that I just got off of Amazon. And I'm going to connect to that here right now, and then my plumbing is all the way done. All right, just finished up. I just added this last P-trap right there for the bathtub. Now plumbing is done. So the only piece that's missing here is this drain right here, and it gets mounted after you have your floor finished, tiled, everything, then it goes on top of that. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next week.